After you have answered all the questions to come up with the ideas for your story, you will begin by writing your first draft. The directions say, using your pre-writing on the previous pages, write the first draft of your story on notebook paper. Be sure to skip lines and keep your writing within the margins. Your rough draft should be at least 2.5 pages. So when you write your story, let's say this is your notebook paper. Go ahead and leave this header up here alone. You don't need to do anything with it. But on the first skinny line, you can write your name, first and last. Underneath that, please put your homeroom teacher's name. And then you can begin typing. Go ahead and skip a line. And in the middle, you can call it Legend Draft 1. So when you're typing, or writing rather, you would begin by writing the first line of your story. So you need to skip lines. So notice I have a line of text here, and then the next line, that isn't what I want. I want you to make sure that you have a line in between each line. So this is so that you can edit your writing, add to it, and even have others make notes between your lines of writing. So this applies to your handwritten draft. When you type your second draft, then at that point, you will be choosing double spacing. So when you're handwriting it, just make sure that you're skipping lines. That way you can go back and make changes or add things to it as needed. Remember, this needs to be 2.5 pages. So this means the front of one sheet, the back of another, and half of another sheet of paper. So just the front side. If you do that, that counts as 2.5 pages and you are good to go.